directly at me. Give me a serious look.
There you go. Good job. No.
He gonna fall off the thing. Come back this way.
Be careful.
I want you to hurt yourself.
It's not. It's off center.
What?
The pillow.
You can't see that.
Nah, it's gonna tip over again. Baby gonna fall on his head. No, I'm booger picking for the camera. Go.
Nice.
Oh, look at that,
Look
Sharice.
at that smile. Smile for the camera. Good job.
Now I want you to take your hand and put it on your chin like this.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Look
Look
at
at the
me.
camera.
Very nice. Do it again for me. Very nice.
There you go. Look
Now-
at you.
Now this is what I want you to do.
You know?
I want you to... I'm going to take you. I'm going to lay down. Lay down on your stomach. Scoop over.
Like you're watching TV.
Yeah, let's lay down on your stomach.
Then on your stomach.
He like, what this lady? Hold on. This lady want me to lay down. Like, hold on.
Thing moving.
He like, hold on,
You're
hold
gonna
on.
fly like Superman, okay? Now stay right there.
Oh, there we go. Oh, wow.
There you go. Now look directly at me. Very nice. Now give me a laugh. Smile for me. That was very nice.
See that?
He's the best kid I worked with so far. Jeez. Look at
That's
me.
right. He's a good boy. Look at that.
Now give me serious. Give me a mean
Nice.
face. That was beautiful. Beautiful.
Ooh. I'm mad. There you go.
Now smile for me. Big smile. Wow. He's a natural.
Look at that. Look at that with the hair in the
that?
face, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to do that though.
Look.
He's concealing. Ready? That was nice. That was beautiful. That was nice. You got another outfit?
Yes.
Switch him while he's happy. There you go, mommy. Now look at me. Give me a smile. Very nice. Close up. Now give me a serious look.
Shut up.
That was very nice. Let's get him
Tight
sit
ponytail.
down.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna get him stand up too. Sit here. Sit here. Just. How do the guys do? Give me a smile. That's very nice. Very nice. Get it closer. Keep that smile. Very nice. Statue. Anything else you want to put? I'm gonna stand him up
Do
now.
you want a ponytail or leave it wild?
I'm gonna get him standing up off of this.
Okay.
So you can take. Huh?
Oh, that's a good one.
Rose. Look right at
You want
me,
to go
okay?
help him, Dad?
He good. Very good. Now I need you to cross your arms like this.
No, look at her.
Look
Look at the
directly
camera.
at me. Give me a serious look. Give me a mean look.
We don't need me shit.
He is professional.
Professional.
Professional. That's what I
Do
said.
that. Do it. Keep doing that.
I
Keep
know.
doing that. No, keep doing.
What you doing your hands?
Not covering your face.
Don't cover
Put
your
it to the
face.
side like
Bring it
that.
down.
Inside.
Look at her.
Very nice.
So it's based out of mess.
Oh, yeah?
Very,
Oh.
very nice.
Nice.
Give her a thumbs up.
Ready? Give me another outfit.
Okay.
You want one? Yeah, let your hair go.
Oh,
Yeah.
you messed it up.
Yeah, right there. Look at me. Hold on,
You
steady.
look like Raj.
Stay.
Yeah.
Stay. No, put your hand in your pocket. There Look at me. Look at me. Very nice look. Give me a smile. Keep your shirt down, though.
Keep your shirt down.
Shirt down. Look at me.
Oh, he look like Raj.
Perfect. Keep it. That's yours. Smile for me. Very nice. Give me another shot. See?
Oh, that's nice.
Very nice. Okay, one closer. Now, come a little bit up. Come up. Let it pass.
Fighting. You're doing good.
Yeah, good, though. Very good. I'm about to say sexy look. Give me a serious look. Ready?
He tired.
He's doing good, though.
Remember when he was a baby, he would rub on a blanket to go to sleep?
Look right at me. Very good.
Now say, oh my gosh.
Now,
Put your hand
all I
on your
want you to do is, I want you to come, lay on your back.
Oh, he will go to sleep.
Lay straight on your back.
Pass over.
No, lay down.
Lay down your back.
Lay your back.
On your back.
And look up at
There you
there
go.
you go.
Alright? Now stay, put your legs down. Yes, stay. No. Up, up, up. Okay. Stay just like that. Now put your hands down. You just look straight up. You keep it like that. Let it pass. Look straight up. Now put your hands down.
Wow.
Straight up.
Making snow angels. I love
You
you.
did it. That's it. Let him get some sleep.
Good job.